Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I'm doing the $20 gift challenge. And I'm so excited because I created the cutest jolly holiday self-care gift for my secret staff member. It's cozy, relaxing, personalized, and it all came in under $20. And I have the receipts, evidence to prove it, okay? So let me show you all what I picked up. I did not go to Pop Shelf. I got all of these things from Walmart. They're just in a Pop Shelf bag because I think I used the Walmart bag for something else. First off, the star of this kit are these bubble baths. I found these in the beauty section. So this one is for nighttime and this one is for tension. And we're both teachers. So I know standing up all day, talking all day, you have so many tabs open on your computer and then in your mind. So this will be good for her to take home for a moment and relax. This one has Epsom salt, which relaxes, juniper, which cleanses, and orange, which uplifts. And this one has Epsom salt, which relaxes, menthol, which soothes, and lavender, which unwinds. And these were only 98 cents, I believe. They came in under $1. So this is perfect for a relaxing night. Next, fuzzy socks. Cozy season isn't complete without a pair of these. Like, is it even holiday season if you don't have a pair of fuzzy socks? So relaxing and comfortable. I picked up this cute pair and I wanted to avoid orange because that is one color she was not feeling. That's what she put on her sheet, okay? And these are infused with aloe. So a little extra. Like, look how soft these are. Then I added this holiday candle. This scent is white almond and nutmeg and vanilla. Perfect. It's not too holiday, so it's something that she can burn year round, but this is perfect to just set the mode, set the tone for a relaxing self-care night or day, since we do have 2 weeks off coming up. Because a self-care moment always needs a sweet treat, I got her favorite M&Ms, but I got them holiday themed. But that is her favorite sweet treat, and these are red and green for Christmas. All right, school supplies is one of the things that brings her joy. So I got this cute little holiday set of lists and notepads because I know me as a teacher, I love to write lists. It helps keep me organized. I like to write things down. And this cute green color with the deer, and there's 3 different notepads to do, checklist, and then I guess just some little reminders. And this is perfect for just jotting down thoughts or even doing a little bit of self-care journaling and reflection at the end of the year. And to go along with that, I found these cute scented markers for the holiday, and they have stamps at the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it because my daughter got a hold of it, but she loves school supplies, so I just decided to go with that festive. Okay, this one is pine. And this one, I don't know, but that smells good. So she can journal, marker, draw. I also, in the previous month, got her a word puzzle book, or a couple of them, so she could use these when she's doing her word searches or word finds as well. That helps relax her. This can go along with a mental unwind moment. She loves word games, so this will be perfect to go along with something that she already has. All right, now let's put everything together and make it look festive. Here's the tag I made. Here's a bundle of cozy self-care treats, warm socks, soothing bubble baths, sweet moments, and quiet time doing what relaxes you. Wishing you rest, peace, and joy this holiday season. Tell me that's not the cutest. So I just took a sheet of printer paper and just cut it in the shape of a oversized tag, and I'm going to attach it to the gift bag. And yes, your girl stayed under budget. So you can absolutely make a personalized, thoughtful self-care gift for under $20 without breaking your budget. If you're doing Secret Staff or Secret Santa this year, definitely try this holiday self-care vibe. It's cozy, affordable, and super personal. You can tailor it to whoever you're giving a gift to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next day of Vlogmas in day 9. Bye.